everybody, it's Anne again from Curious Moon Design with a new mini needle book. I've used 2 pieces of fabric similar to these to make this lovely needle book. I'll be sharing the pattern details with you, so please stay with me until the end of the video. I've been making needle books for many years. In fact, this one is over 60 years old. I made it in primary school, and bless my darling mum, she used it all the time. There's cross stitch and all sorts of... It's lasted very well. So this has got a lovely pattern. It's green, blue and some red in there. I put a nameplate on the front with stitch written there, and the closure is just a little piece of fabric that I've made into a ribbon with a cotton reel on the end and a button, so that just closes round there. On the side I've added a pin cushion that I've just made with one piece of fabric, and it's just very handy to have a little needle or pin cushion, to have it available there. Okay, let's look inside. So this one has a little fold up pocket here, and I've got cards and button cards in there, a little label there, handmade with love, and I've also put a pair of scissors in. I've made a pouch with a ribbon to hold the scissors in, and there's a pin there with a bead on it. These pins are very handy. They're called, I think they're called French style pins, and they don't have the ring at the end there like the safety pins do, so you can put beads or buttons all the way round, which is very handy. Here I call these the pages of the book, so they just attach to the cover and inside there, and this one has a pocket on one side. So, and there I've added a piece of felt with a belly band across there, some beads on a pin, little scissor charm and some pins there with some lace coming down here. Inside here I've got some cards that I've shrunk down and added to some cardstock. Go in the pocket, and then a little mini junk journal, which is just handy for little notes. It's got some tea dyed paper inside. It's always handy to have a little notebook if you're knitting or something and want to write your rows down. That's or some stitches. There we are. On this page we've got some more felt with another charm. I've done some decorative stitching on the edge of the pocket there, and some lace down that edge. This is, I left this little bit up here. It's part of the layering there, and I just put a button charm on the top. Looks rather lovely there. Some nice fabric here, and some more pins, measuring tape, and here I printed on some fabric. I just used my block letters with some ink and added some studs there just to hold the thread picker, and another pin cushion there. Here we have a pocket with tape in. I've left a little gap there so it can poke through. It's got a needle case there, a lace butterfly. There's another pocket there. Button cards on here, some wool and cotton cards with a needle threader, some safety pins, some nice scissor tape there. And actually there's a pocket on the edge of this one as well. I just added a backing to that piece just to get the pocket, which has got a nice notebook I've just made out of card, and added some images there with rather nice images from a book I'm using for my sewing junk journal, just for some more notes. I've added buttons all along here. They're always handy to have. You can just snip them off if you need them in a project. Little brad there, and then another piece of fabric that I've printed on. Just put stitch on there. And then the closure, as I say, is just a button, a piece of ribbon. Right, so now we've had the flip through. Hope you enjoyed looking through that one. Now check out the pattern instructions. You can always pause the video any time to get the details. And should you make one, I would love to know and see your crafty make. And don't forget to join us again by pressing the subscribe button and bell so you don't miss any of our crafty makes and designs. Take care and bye for now.